What's up? What up, Go Up Nation? Sorry about that. I don't know if that's gonna work. Alright. So, we're gonna see if that's working. If that's gonna work. What up? Y'all haven't vlogged in a while with the camera. You know, it's been a minute, right? Got that still good. Alright. So, what's it called? On my way to Target right now. I need to pick up some dog food. Just the basic things that you need for the house, you know. Dog food. I just cleaned the inside of my car and it smells heavenly in here. I'm kidding now. So how's it been, guys? I haven't like actually vlogged in a while where I've been talking. It's just been like kind of crazy lately. There was an earthquake the night before last night. It wasn't that bad. I just thought something was crawling under my bed or something. And yeah. So, oh shoot. So basically, oh, that's crazy. No thanks. So things have been pretty good. Been just driving and been driving, of course. Going to school and stuff. Hanging out with Greg occasionally. I mean, whenever we get the chance. It's raining pretty bad right now. Y'all can't see. Yeah, my windshield needs to be clear. I honestly love the rain. Like, California loves the rain. I got a new radio, y'all. Yeah, California loves the rain. Like, no matter what, it's just... I just love it. Because we never get it. Am I not right, though? Like, we never get it. What the? What are you doing backing up? So things been good so far. Kind of talking to girls and stuff, you know. The basic teenager stuff, right? Basically, that's it, honestly. Haven't been doing very much lately. Just that, honestly. So, we've been making gaming videos and stuff like that. Me and Greg have been playing GTA and we've been making gaming videos and all sorts of stuff like that. And on his channel, you can find those. On my channel, you just find the vlogs and stuff like that, right? I don't know why everybody decides to drive so slow when it's raining. It's like, it's just raining. It's not that crazy, but it's whatever. Oh, I like the song. Alright guys, for a while it's just gonna be me singing. Thanks for watching. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog in the store or not, but I'll let y'all know. my car and park. Right, no, I just leave it and drive, and I just stop the car and turn it off. I don't know what it is. I just do it. I don't know. It's weird. All right, man. It's raining crazy right now. It's not even that bad, to be honest. It's just Californians. I live in California, right? Nobody, I'm sorry, I'm gonna be wearing a hood. Alright, here we go. Let's go outside. There's Target. Y'all. Oh my god, don't tell me this has been out of focus this entire time. Sure hope not. Woo! It's raining. It's cold. Got the fresh kicks on. Fresh Nikes, Nike running shoes. Alright, y'all. I'll see you in a second, bruh. There's people in that car, but I don't care. See, look how wide I'm putting it open. I'm putting it up. Obvious. That Jeep just, look at that parking job, though. Alright, heading into Target. Okay, I'm probably not going to film in there because I don't like it. Can't. Alright, bye. Dog food. That quick and easy. That's how I like it. Fast, easy. Those were my shoes, squeaky, by the way. It's very wet outside. I mean, my glasses are. My glasses are just smeary and rained on and lock the doors, right? Yeah. That's my fear. My number one fear about driving. I just don't want to deal with somebody like trying to get in my car and steal it. So I always make sure to lock the doors. Like, you guys too, you should do that. Because you don't want somebody stealing your car out of nowhere, just jumping in, hey, your door's unlocked, so it's mine now. Like GTA or something. Windshield wipers.